Hey everyone, this is Misty at Nerd News Social, and today I'm having a look at these JLab headsets for gameplay. Now it says that it can connect with an Xbox, a PlayStation, and the Nintendo Switch. For this video, I'm going to try connecting it to my Nintendo Switch. Now the box itself kind of showcases what's inside. We've got a micro USB charging cable, 3.5 millimeter cord that connects in. Of course, various sizes of little silicone gel caps for the end of the item, and the item itself, which looks like it's going to be comfortable to wear on the go. Now, I went ahead and peeled back the seals on these so you didn't have to watch me struggle with them for, how long it normally takes me to get through them. Oh no, the package ripped. Oh well. I like to try to open things as neatly as possible. Okay, so peek inside there, see the little magnets they have for the box. And on this side, we've got a nice little travel case. Oh, and it feels like, yeah, wow, that's actually good material. Sometimes they have a travel case and it's like not really that great. Oh, look at that, look at it, for moisture wicking and everything. That's fantastic. These are the extra bits and bobs. And there's that. No, it's not reversible. There's a big seam on the inside, but that would have been cool. But yeah, this is a really nice, sturdy carry case. You can put other things in there too. So again, the charging cable, the ear tips, a couple of different sizes in there, and the aux cord. And standard instruction booklet. I'm sure there's like a warranty or whatever in there as well. I don't know, just tells you how to do it. Cool. Okay, so that's it. It's actually a pretty easygoing, lightweight kind of thing. Very carefully remove it from there. Don't want to damage the cords in any way. And we got some bendy bits that need to go away. It's pretty easy to undo. All right. Oh, hey, these are magnetic. Great. So hanging on around your neck, they'll just clip together and not dangle and get caught on things, which is always a bonus. And on this side is where you would plug in. I think that's the power side of things. Yeah, it's got a little lightning bolt on there, so it is the power. And on this side, I guess that's just external battery stuff. Alrighty, so there's the mic. The mic's on the little inline one. On and off. Now, let's see about getting that powered on. I'm going to defer to the instruction booklet. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Release when light flashes red and blue. All right. That's pretty easy to do. I'm going to bring out my regular switch. And let's get into Nope, not that one. Went too far. System settings. And Bluetooth audio. To use Bluetooth audio, you must pair a device, up to 2 devices. Okay. So, here we are. I'll hold down that button until, all right. So, release button, okay. Light will, all right. So I think that should do it. Are they able to talk to each other? I hope so. There we go. There it is. JLabs Play earbuds. Connecting to the audio. Okay. All right. So volume is all the way up. And as you can hear, there's no clicking sounds. So we are fully paired with the JLabs to go. Super easy to set up. These should be super comfortable to wear. I'm going to have to try the different tips and see which one works best with my ear. I have kind of a ear canal that likes to reject these things. But I'm looking forward to wearing them, enjoying them, playing my games without having the need to have a corded headset plugged in there. All right. Well, I hope this was some good information for you, that you think about picking one of these up and using it for travel or for home use as well. These can be paired up with more than one device, so I may also pair it up with my phone, which is also doing the recording right now, so not something I can do for the camera. All right, guys. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. Go ahead and click a like button. Let us know in the comments what you thought of the product. Subscribe to Nerd News Social for new videos on unboxing of cool tech and other nerdy things.